What is up, everybody? It's TheDon with TheDonTech, and today I'm going to go ahead and open up this brand new Dell Precision 5490 to show you what's inside, how to open it, and if there's anything that you can upgrade after the fact. When opening the laptop, as you can tell, there's going to be 8 screws on the bottom. These are all going to be held in by a T5 screw. With the 8 screws removed, you should be able to apply a little bit of force on the bottom side here and then pull up. It will hold into place along the edges on the sides here. That's going to be normal. Don't apply too much pressure as to not bend the frame, but if you're applying enough, it'll be able to lift on out and then come right off. Rotating the laptop so that I can see what's underneath it without having to go upside down, we've got the accessible battery. You have your solid state drive, which will be under here. The memory, which in this model is 32 gigs, is going to be soldered onto the board and not user replaceable. You've got 2 fans and 2 heat sinks that are going to be cooling the CPU and the GPU respectively. You've got access to the speakers on the sides. You've got access to the trackpad underneath the battery, and everything else is going to be fully soldered onto the board. The Wi-Fi chip, which is going to be right here, is soldered onto the board. Any USB-C connections on both sides are directly soldered to the board, which includes the DC jack, which means they are not user replaceable. And in the event that you have any catastrophic issues with the hinge mounts or anything like that, you'll have to replace the entire upper assembly piece, which will include the keyboard. Same goes for if you have any issues with the keyboard, you'll have to replace the entire upper assembly piece as well. Checking out some additional things on this laptop, you've got the video display cable that is underneath those 2 screws, and you have something that actually is modular on this laptop. It does look like this audio jack cable right here is something that would be able to be removed from the board. Unique and nice, but unfortunately, those don't really fail all that much. And if you do get those to break, it's going to be from some sort of impact damage. So there you have it. That's how you open up, disassemble, and access the inside of this Dell Precision 5490. I'm definitely bummed that more things are becoming soldered on, but that just kind of seems to be the whole trend with all laptops now. You make them a lot smaller, a lot thinner, go to USB-C, which is a fantastic standard, but it comes with that trade-off that everything has to be soldered onto the board. I dislike seeing more and more computers that have RAM soldered on. I believe that they were going to be coming out with new RAM that would be more of a slot insert similar to SSDs that might be something that can be removable and continually kept on laptops instead of having to make them soldered in. Hopefully we'll see more of that in the future. But if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if there's any other laptops you want me to open up if I happen to get them. My name has been TheDon. This has been TheDonTech. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, TheDon's got your back.